Greetings. I thought it'd be fun to, on this kind of rainy and dreary day, to do a little walkthrough of the garden and take you on a little tour and show you how I built the beds and my little pool that I have to haul water, and just kind of how things work and some of the things that I've salvaged and just put together to kind of cobble together my little raised beds. They're small beds, but it's a start, and it's a nice walk down to the garden, and we'll go walk down and take a look, and I'll be back, and we'll go for a stroll. So back in a minute, okay? Strolling down the driveway, I never know what I'll see. Looks like a downed tree from this morning's storm. But it also looks like fresh lumber for my raised beds. I'll get my handsaw and cut it into chunks and then drag them down to the garden. A future raised bed for sure. And there's my garden. Tiny lettuces. Lettuces. There's lettuce, and there's herbs, and there's tomatoes. Those are Roma tomatoes. And my trellises. Birch saplings that we've taken off the property, all lashed together with zip ties. Lots of zip ties. And PVC pipe, not the most environmentally friendly, but it's very sturdy. And there's more birch and some salvaged decking. Logs that have been dragged from various places on the property and stacked with the PVC pipe and zip ties. This is the taller bed with the indigo. This is the Japanese indigo. It's doing very well. I hope to get at least 2 or 3 harvests. And the indigo fruticosa. That's the tropical indigo. It should grow 5 to 6 feet tall, I hope. And I should get multiple harvests from that as well. There's 3 beds for now, but with that downed tree, there's going to be at least 1 more, and hopefully more than that. And there's the creek When it hasn't been raining, which it's been doing all week long, this is where I get the water from my garden. And where I have created my little pool. Only it's not a pool right now. Oh golly, it's all silted up. All our rains. That's my little platform I stand on. I'm gonna have to use that bucket to dig it all out. There's my little dam. I think I need to do some re-engineering. And our creek. And all the trees along our property line. Wonderfully diverse. We've got black walnut and birch and tulip poplar, a couple of different kinds of maple. Further up on the property there's oak and sassafras and sourwood. It's just all so beautiful and inspires me every day. Every day, fresh inspiration for tending my handmade life.